Da 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 da. Murder, mystery. Da 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 da. About the senses. Da 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 da. This is a murder mystery about all of these senses. The professor brain is killed by his daughter, and we need to figure out why. So stick and enjoy the film now. Grab some popcorn, 'cause it's about to start. Da da.
Welcome to my home. I'm so excited to teach you more about the senses. Teach. How long is this gonna take? Please. Said I was sorry. Do not call me that.
Oh no!
Oh no! What happened to Professor Brain? I don't feel pulse. He's brain dead.
Seriously? No, it's not. Whatever. We just need to look for Mr. Brain's killer.
All right. How about we split up and look for clues? Okay. Look at the library. Ooh. I wonder if this could be it. Hello, my name is Professor Brain. Today we will be discussing the senses. This first video is about vision. Here is a diagram of the eye. Vision begins with light passing through the cornea and the lens, which combine to produce a clear image of the visual world on a sheet of photoreceptors called the retina. The information from the retina is sent via optic nerve to other parts of the brain, which ultimately process the image and allow us to see. Now, a hue is a shade of color. Different wavelengths of light result in different colors. Short wavelengths are bluish colors, while long wavelengths are reddish colors. Intensity is an amount of energy in a wave, determined by the amplitude. The taller the wavelength, the brighter the color. Saturation is a ratio of the dominant wavelength to other wavelengths in the color. Now let's talk about photoreceptors. A photoreceptor cell is a specialized type of neuron found in the retina. The two main photoreceptor cells are rods and cones. Rods are used in peripheral vision and night vision. They don't play a role in color due to only having one type of light-sensitive pigment. Cones are responsible for color vision and function best in relatively bright light. And this is, it's a drawing from my little girl. You know, I wish I hadn't left, but, never mind. Now on to the opponent process theory. This was proposed in 1878 by Ewald Heering. This theory tells us that certain color combinations, reddish-green, bluish-yellow, and blackish-white, can never be seen because they are on opposite sides of the spectrum. The last thing you need to know are foveal vision problems. There are two major foveal vision problems: nearsightedness and farsightedness. Nearsightedness is when a person can see nearby objects more clearly than distant objects. Farsightedness is when you can see far away objects more clearly than near objects. Thank you for your time. So long.
I want to do that. Finally, I'm away from those losers. Can listen to my music.
again. This time, how about we take a look at some ears? No, not my ear! Parts to an ear: the outer, middle, and inner. The pinna collects sound. This sound then goes down the auditory canal forwards to the eardrum. The eardrum then vibrates, and these vibrations are connected by the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The cochlea's oval window. The alternating changes of pressure agitates the basilar membrane, stimulating the sensory hair cells. This sends impulses along the auditory nerve, letting us be able to hear the sound. The highness or lowness of a sound, also known as pitch, is determined by the frequency or the number of cycles in a wave per given unit of time. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. There are three main types of hearing loss: conductive, sensorineural, and mixed hearing loss. Conductive hearing loss occurs when sound is not conducted efficiently through the outer ear canal to the eardrum and the ossides. There are three tiny bones called hammer, anvil, and stirrup in the middle ear. Sensorineural hearing loss is damage to the inner ear or to the nerve pathways from the inner ear to the brain. And finally, mixed hearing loss. This is a combination, both conductive and sensorineural hearing loss, where sound is both quiet and muffled. When I was still married to my wife's limbic system, she never seemed to listen to me. Maybe she suffered from hearing loss. Oh, never mind.
Weird. I wonder if they had any children.
Man, why do I always get the smelly places?
Welcome back to another video of your old Professor Braden. This video, we will be discussing the nose and olfaction. Wondering what is an olfaction? Olfaction is the sense of smell. With my diagram of the nose, I will show you how this process works. Odor molecules are elected by olfactory receptors. These chemical signals are changed into electrical signals and sent to the brain, where they are perceived as smells. The olfactory bulb is closely connected with the limbic system. That's why strong memories are made through the sense of smell. My wife was a very emotional person. She even named our kid... Oh, never mind. Thank you for your time. So long.
That's a little personal. But I wonder what he named his kid.
Food! Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Thought this was my lunch break. Well, this video is all about taste buds. So, here's a diagram of a taste bud. Taste sensation is detected by the taste cells located in bunches called taste buds. The taste buds are located on the tongue. Once taste is detected, the chemicals in food interact with the taste receptor cells inside taste pores to create neural impulses. The basal cell in each pore transfer these impulses to the brain. Humans have five main tastes. These tastes are bitter, salty, sweet, sour, and umami. Now, there is a common misconception that your tongue is split in different sections, where each section is exclusively responsible for the different basic tastes. This was scientifically disproven in 1974 and confirmed that all taste exists on all parts of the tongue. However, flavor is not that simple. Humans taste flavor due to sensory interaction. Sensory interaction is when one sense affects other senses. While tastes are sending signals to the brain, the airborne odor molecules of food are being detected and initiated in a neural response. Ultimately, messages about taste and smell converge, allowing us to detect the flavors of food.
You know what has the best flavor? My ex-wife's chocolate cake. She would always make it for my birthday, and my cute red-headed daughter would put the candles on it and then sing. Memories. Anyways, this is the end of this episode. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
This video made me hungry. Why would someone leave their wife if they made chocolate cake? Why?
If there's a clue hidden somewhere in these pillows. Why did I own so many pillows? The third to last pillow. Woo. Well, hello, students and daughter. This is the last video in my series of senses. And to be honest, I asked all of you to come here to my house just so I could see my daughter. I love you, sweetie. Anyways, this next video is touch, so here it is.
The sense of touch is a mix of 4 distinct skin senses: pressure, warmth, cold, and pain. Pressure is the only skin sense with identifiable receptors. All other skin sensations are variations of pressure, warmth, cold, and pain. Pain tells the body that something has gone wrong. It is normally caused by damage to the skin and other tissues. There are 3 influences on pain: biological, psychological, and social control. Biological influences pain through the activity in the spinal cord's large and small fibers and genetic differences in the endorphin production. Psychological influences pain by learning based on experience and expectation of pain relief. Lastly, social culture influences pain through the presence of others and empathy for others' pain. The gate control theory was proposed by Melzack and Wall. They stated that our spinal cord contains neurological gates that either block pain or allow it to be sensed. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. There aren't just 5 senses. There are 7. Vestibular sense motions monitors balance through the head and body's relative positions. Kinesthetics is the sense of our body parts' position and movements. The temperature in a human skin is usually about 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Objects or surroundings at that level produce no sensation of temperature when the temperature gets hotter or colder. The body can feel it through sensory receptors in the skin. That's all for the senses.
Thank you for your time. So long. Oh, he left me.
Thanks a lot, Father.
Find anything?
Yeah, I did. I found out he had a wife and a daughter that she named after an emotion.
Yeah. And his daughter had red hair. I feel like Connor's chocolate cake right now.
What?
Mm-hmm. Chocolate cake. I'm about to get hungry. That means it's only one person. Touch?
She's right.
Yeah, I would have gotten away with it if you stupid meddling kids and dog.
Well, dude, on the show.
Thanks for your time. Peace out, homies.